Mount Kilauea. About Kilauea. Kilauea is located on the southern part of Hawaii, about 19.4 degrees north and negative 155.9 degrees west. It is currently an active volcano since 1983, and it is continuously erupting since then. There are many causes for this. The causes are eruptions caused by groundwater, which turns into steam as it is heated by magma below the Earth's surface. As this occurs, the walls of the crater cave in, and it blocks the opening from which lava flows. As this happens, hot steam and intense pressure build while the eruption occurs. The effects on health and infrastructure. On health, volcanic air pollution is released by many volcanoes such as Kilauea is composed of sulfur dioxide and is often referred to as VOG. This is released from many active volcanoes. This VOG can produce many deadly effects in humans, such as severe headaches, sore throats, cough, closing of airways, and breathing difficulties. Many of these require medical attention and hospitalization. Most of these affect children, teenagers, elderly, and those who smoke. And there are also effects on infrastructure. In 1983, lava from Kilauea flowed into a local subdivision, burning and crushing 7 houses. Accompanying earthquakes also come with volcanoes, and they break open roads. And, for example, the village of Kapaho was entirely destroyed in 1960. There are also effects on wildlife and landscapes. For wildlife, cinder strips down leaves, for example, the papaya crops in Hawaii. It also creates lava tree molds, which are formed when lava encases the trees and it comes in contact with, leaving solid lava on their trunks. So here on this picture, we have 2 lava tree molds, so you can see where the lava climbed up these trees. The effects on landscapes include large grass and bush landscapes being burned down, and this can also cause famine and crop destruction in the area. There are also effects on Earth's systems. Some of these include the biosphere. This includes extreme heat. There are many loss of villages and towns and vital crops. There are also effects on the atmosphere, and this includes ash and sulfur dioxide entering the atmosphere, which can eventually cause and contribute to air pollution and result in climate change. The hydrosphere is also affected by Kilauea, in which sulfuric acid from the eruptions can enter streams and ultimately produce acid rain. And finally, the lithosphere. In the lithosphere, volcanic eruptions occur at plate boundaries, and these plates are pulled together or pushed apart, and magma pushes its way to the surface. Fun facts. Kilauea is the Hawaiian word for spreading or spewing. Kilauea is also a shield volcano, which means it has a wide, low-sloping cone. So here in this picture, it's showing how the sides of it are low instead of high like a stratovolcano. Kilauea is also 1 out of 5 Hawaiian volcanoes, so you may have heard of some of these other volcanoes that make up Hawaii, but Kilauea is on the east side on the bottom. Kilauea has obliterated over 200 buildings in the area of Hawaii over its lifetime. And despite its recent activity, Kilauea is still a major tourist attraction in Hawaii. So many people still like to visit it, they still like to see what it's about and like to just explore it as well.